going to show you how you can make $4 in 5 minutes, $10 in 20 minutes, and anywhere from $30 to $120 in 1 hour. And this requires zero skills, zero experience. In fact, all you need is either a phone, a laptop, and a Wi-Fi connection. You're probably thinking, oh, this is totally saturated, right? Nope, not the case. In fact, not many people know about this at all. Okay, so before we get into this, you should save it so you can watch it again for later, and you can also share it with your friends. So let's go. Go to usertesting.com, click Get Paid to Test in the top right corner, and then sign up with your email and get started. So these are companies that are willing to pay real money to get the feedback from real people. Other survey websites will give you low quality surveys and they will pay you pennies on the dollar, while user testing will pay you, in fact, dollars on the dollar. Now, if you want to be making 10 times more money and have it 10 times easier than this method that I just showed you, comment testing down below and I will send you the exact free training that you'll need to get started.